So hello and welcome guys to another live trading session. So today I didn't initially plan to take a trade, but since I got the opportunity, I took it and I didn't explain anything. After this trade ends, I will explain the trade. Just quickly, there was SMT changing the state with displacement, pull back to the change in the state entry. Overall, the market didn't. The only thing that was a little bit worry for me was that the market didn't retrace to the 50% zone. Okay, if you see the zone that it created yesterday from the bearish movement, it didn't, what you say, retrace anything. It retraced around 45%, you can see here. But it started rejecting the 1 hour FBG. Okay, so after that, multiple times it created the equal high, then it went, finally took the all the low resistance liquidity to the downside, came down, rejected this uh, fair value gap. This was the 15 minute, I think so. Let's check it out. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay. I think this is, okay, so this is the 1 hour FBG which has been rejecting to the upside. So this was my initial take profit area. So here initially I didn't take this trade in my account. So but here this will be the like trade, my, what you say, my stop loss will be at break even. So yeah, that's the basic of it. I've entered here. I've entered here exactly after the pullback to the change in the state. See, if there was no displacement, I would have most likely not entered. Since we did get a what you say, uh, pullback to the change in the state and also a displacement in the lower time frame. So that's why I had entered. If I go to 30 minutes, 30-second time frame, you see series of down close candle, a candle is close below that. So yeah, and eventually now there is some type of what do you say, it can eventually just consolidate here and take me out because this is the 1 hour FBG. Okay, so yeah, let's see. But if it does break through this, there is a lot of potential to down to take the Asian low, or even come, it most like probably must come till here if it does break through this point. And yeah, this was the Asian high. This one was the Asian high. It didn't take the Asian high, you see here. But practically I realized that you cannot use, like, Asian high and low can be used as a drawn liquidity, but like it is not a solid draw. Okay, like you can just base your trade off of the liquidity, just that what you say, Asian high. Okay, so that's why. So yeah, this was the trade. Let's see what happens. It had already hit my target, so I'm not going to be closing, because see, if I'm following my official plan, I have to close this trade because it is a perfect 1:2, because I've entered somewhere around here. We go into the 1 minute time frame. See here, see here, both the candles above I've entered here. So it is technically a 1:3 trade. But since, what do you say? Since I'm taking this trade in my futures account and my time has already been up. If you see 12:54, so no, sorry, date is 26 September. So my account will get renewed on 2 October. So eventually this account is technically blown, but still I have made some profit. So I'm just like analyzing what I can just leave it running and all. But technically this is the trade. Pull back to the change in the state, SM2 present, rejecting the 1 hour FBG, final liquidity sweep. Then we see a change in the state, pull back to the change in the state, entry, direct 1:3 trade. This is the end of the video. Okay, it's like I've explained everything. Like there is nothing more to explain. Only that the higher time frame was higher, but since we got a liquidity sweep of the external and we started creating momentum to the upside, then I thought that this line was the 50% line. It can have a chance to retrace there. Okay, so based on that, I was hoping that if this 1 hour FBG gets ran through to the upside, then I can use this as a confluence for me to go higher. But since it started rejecting that way earlier in the Asian session, then I saw a quick reversal opportunity with SMT present, and I have taken the trade. Okay, so this will be the trade, and I will just pause the video here. If I do get stopped out, this will be the end of the video. This is the shortest trade I have taken till date. So yeah, that's it for this video. If I do run the trades run through, then I'll just update the trade. Most likely it will can consolidate here and go and stop me out, because this was the my drawn liquidity, the 1 hour FBC. Okay, yeah. So that's it. If you can see here. So yeah. and it is not letting me enter any mode of position also. I cannot scale it. Like if you see here, so you go to trade here, I cannot place any order. Sell, see, it's already rejected. Like so many rules and all are there just for like even for me to pass the account. There is no like proper management that I can follow. Either I need to be a profitable trader, I need to take 7 trades in a week, and all of them must be profitable. Like that's technically impossible. How can you take 7 trades full day every day for a whole week straight, and every of them is profit, and you have passed the account in a single week? So that's not possible, and you can't do anything like to suggestion of. So yeah, that's it for this part. And I have only one monitor present, one screen. So my monitor will come today. Let's see what happens. Yes, sir, I have ordered the Acer 24 inch. What the fuck, sir? So yeah, that's it. Let's see what happens. If you do get stopped out, this will be the end of the video. If you do keep on running, then I'll continue the video there, and I'll explain a little bit more about what we want to see for the next week. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, quick trade update. As you can see, I had still holded my trade there. I didn't put break even after I had said I will not put break even. So the market has initially what you say went up, swept this high, and it came down nicely. There could have been a second entry here also, but since the market is not letting me enter, I cannot do anything. So this 15 minute did close below this, so which gives me a little bit more confidence in holding the trade much longer. But I would have definitely closed it the first time, because see, my entry has been done. I have already exited it. See, first what I would do, I just explained here. I would have taken the entry here. After this 5 minutes gets ran through, either I will partial out here or put break even. Then after this 1 hour which gets tapped in, here will be my break even point, and I will put my stop loss to break even for a like final time. Then after this low gets taken, this will be my last low. And initially I booked the trade for at least 2 to 2.5 hour. Okay, that's it. And so, but still, if since I'm trading the futures account, I need to either blow or pass the account. So I'm just holding the trade. It's not about the like what you say execution. Everything has done perfectly, but just the holding part is not what you say according to the plan, or there was no plan to begin with. You can say that. So yeah, let's pause the video here. If it does run, there is nothing to do. I'm thinking I should just end the video here only, because technically it doesn't matter if I have closed the trade in my forex account. It does, the thing that matters is that only. So I'll just take a screenshot here for the thumbnail, and I'll close the video here only. So yeah, quick little trade. It was the last day of the week, Friday. Next week, let's see what happens. I've already put that in journal, everything. This is the trade of it. I'll just take the screenshot also. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye, take care. And if you see the trading journal, it has been going quite nicely for me. The losses also are, like, what do you say, justified losses in my model. So yeah, first if you see here, taking multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like here I have 1, 2 trades I have not recorded also, because of like, what do you say, like bad decisions and all that. But this was in me, so I've improved a lot as a trader, and I'm just focusing on that detail to become a better trader. And to see, we are in it for the money. Technically we are trading to make money, but if you make that decision while you're trading, like while you're taking the trades and all, that will be a little bit difficult for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye, take care. And yeah, that's the trade. It has not been 10 minutes also.